Yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
It's a four-way stop. They just went through that stop sign. It's a four-way stop. Fucking half. You're not gonna keep in mind what the fuck is you doing? What the hell is you doing?
It just didn't work out, right? And it's okay. How many kids you have? I got 7 kids.
Oh shit. They tire shaking. Why the hell are y'all still driving? That tire about to come the fuck off. Shit. Turn the back of that shit up. I knew that piano. As soon as I heard that first note, ding, ding, ding. I already knew who the fuck it was. When I was a young boy. When I was a young boy. So there'll be no chance of changing my mind. I wonder how that's gonna work. That's the, well, you can get killed like that. Oh, you flying too fast. That nigga going too fast.
Of these visual search terms. One thing to notice about these search results for visual search that's different than the transcript search is the visual search after just visual. So right now, all of this B-roll is showing up in the Smart Collection because I didn't analyze it for a transcript. I just analyzed it.